It can calm your mind, boost your confidence, heal your pain, make you laugh. It can make you cry and also can make you happy, inspire and motivate you. It has a power to influence all your emotions, and that is music. Music is an essential part of life. It expresses emotions, connects people, it helps to reduce stress, make you feel happy, tells beautiful stories, and remind us of old memories. I have decided to make something memorable through this creation. So let's start to make a book of memories. And don't miss out any steps because it is going to be very interesting. This genre can lift your self-esteem. It inspires you to believe in yourself, love who you are, and not let others bring you down. It's a beautiful reminder that you are unique and perfect just the way you are. In romantic genre, here are some that I really like. Look at this. This is the most beautiful romantic music video I have ever seen. The black sand, cold weather make it feel so unique and magical. The contrast colors, green, black, orange, blue, makes it even more stunning. It feels like everything in nature, water, fire and the surroundings comes together perfectly for this one music video. Every detail is so perfect, eye-catching and adorable. This song is very close to my heart. I have always loved the band, boys, and Harry was my favorite. And now it is very sad to admit that I barely noticed Liam while he was alive. अब वो जो इस दुनिया में नहीं है, I have started to see him more. And this is the heartbreaking reality of today's world. जब इंसान होता है उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती, and जब वो चला जाता है, suddenly everyone start to noticing and appreciating them. I just wanted to say appreciate and value the people around you. क्या पता कल हो ना हो.